In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members to GoodDay. Inviting your teammates is one of the first things you'll want to do so you can actually start collaborating, sharing tasks, and managing projects together. In this walkthrough, I'll take you through the entire process from the moment you open GoodDay, all the way to sending the invitation, so you know exactly where to click and what information to provide. First, open GoodDay in your browser and log into your account if you aren't already. You should land on your main workspace or dashboard. Take a quick moment to make sure you're in the right account or workspace, especially if you use GoodDay with multiple teams or organizations. This will ensure that the people you invite end up in the correct place. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile icon. This is usually located near the bottom area of the interface. The icon typically shows either your photo or your initials. Click on this profile icon to open your personal menu. This menu is where you can access your settings, personal preferences, and importantly, options related to your organization and team. In the menu that appears, find and click the option labeled Invite to GoodDay. This is the dedicated feature for bringing new people into your workspace. When you click it, GoodDay will open an invitation window or form. Think of this as the place where you define who you're inviting and how they'll be added to your team. In this invitation form, you'll be asked to type in the details of the people you want to invite. Typically, this means entering their email addresses, and in some cases, you may be able to add their names or choose roles or access levels. Take your time here and double check the spelling of each email address to avoid sending invites to the wrong person or having them bounce back. If you're inviting multiple people, you can usually add them one after another in the same form. Once all the details are filled in and you're happy with your selections, look for the Submit button and click it. This sends out the invitations directly from GoodDay. Your teammates will receive an email with instructions to join your workspace, create or log into their account, and start collaborating with you. And that's it. You've successfully invited